Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Retro Django here with another pinball video. Now, we all love our pinball machines and we all love to mod them and get some all new modern parts for them. One of the companies that we all love, that we have enjoyed their products from, is PinSound. I want to send my special thanks to PinSound for sending me this box that contains something that I didn't know existed, because at pinsound.com we are usually buying these amazing sound cards from. But to my big surprise, they do much more than that. We all love our old Bally Williams machines with these lovely DMD screens, the WPC 89, WPC 95. We love them, but the DMDs can go bad. And when they go bad, you can try to get a replacement DMD screen, or the issue is with the 30-year-old DMD board that's just fried. You can buy some components and try to revive it, or you can just go in and order this package from PinSound. Let's go ahead and unbox it. So let's see what's inside this beautiful box from pinsound.org. Guys, I've been talking with these guys just for a day, and during that day I was like, I just browsed through your page. I love all that extra stuff you're doing. I would love to share it on my YouTube channel. Same day they were like, yes, what do you want? And we talked about this, and just send us the address. I did that. 5 minutes later, I got this mail. Your box is on the way. So professional, so fast, so incredible. I talked to Nicholas in there. Nicholas, it's just so professional, man. Man, thanks for the support. Crank it up, Nicholas and Timothy. I mean, this company you like it cold? Ooh, that was loud. We will, in another video, go in and check out their sound systems. They are just industry leaders. Oh, we got some candy also. Thank you guys from France. Beautiful stuff. I mean, oh, look at this beauty. PinSound. Again, I just thought it was sound only, but PinSound, sound system, motion. They have, yeah, in another video maybe, they have next level shakers, and this was all new for me. Original parts. It was just, what's that? What's going on? Look at this. I mean, PinSound board. I would love to review that and show all the details in another video, because as you all know, when I review pinball machines, the audio package is just, it's make it or break it. My whole pinball collection, the audio part has to be perfect. If the audio isn't good, I don't care about the shots, the rules, all sort of stuff. If it's the audio part, it's not engaging for me, I throw that pinball out of the window. So yeah, really important. Here are the guys that runs the company. Again, thank you guys. They sell amazing speaker systems also. I mean, look at that big magnet. Oh man, I remember when I built big bass systems in my car as a teenager. Oh my God. Again, motion control plus. Do we have, no, we don't have nothing for the original boards, but we will take a look at it in a minute, guys. Again, volume control that you can connect, and here no more reset. I hope I can show that to you guys. It's so cool. Rocket CPU, a CPU replacement board. Absolutely wow. Yeah. The unboxing. Just look at this. DMDLux Matrix Driverboard for Bally Williams. Original parts number, as you can see, direct replacement. This side, this side, this side, and this side. Let's unbox it. Hey, look at this, guys. I mean, look at the packaging. Look at everything is so well done. How cool is this? A PinSound card at the apron. I'm actually, yeah, one of my games needs an apron. I'm gonna install this there. That's great. What do we have here? Quality check. How cool is that? This device has been carefully checked before dispatch. Professional done, guys. Oh, and the ice topping of the cake. Look at this beauty, guys. Again, I didn't know anything about this product were made by these guys, but I really want to show this to you guys. Sometimes all I think about you. Oh, I love. Look at this board. DMDLux original PinSound board. Wow. How cool is this? Version 1.0. Sometimes you get these cables the wrong way, but look at this. With this little notch, you will always hit it the right way. So the cables here, the power here, power indicators, 12 volt, 5 volt, ground. Again, power here, 120 volts, fuses. I mean, look at all those caps that gives your DMD display quality power, man. Look at this power status. You can go in and see here if the 12 volts on, if we have power on the 5 volt rail. We have all the test points for plus 12, plus 5. You can go in and see. Oh, it's so. Do we have 113 minus 125? How cool is this? Everything is just so much thought of. These fuses, they have LED lights at under here, so if one of these will blow, it will light up red. So it's so professionally done. On the original Bally Williams card, this little device, it's set so low so you can, when you install the original ones, take care of, because I have seen some screws hitting these legs and shorting out the Bally Williams board. So this is awesome. Let's just look at the build quality. This is the nerd in me, but as you can see here, the replacement numbers. Quality control passed. This is a machine soldered. I can see it. It's so professionally done. And the best part, look at this. It has got this brightness control. So if you just put it on normal, then you will have just a normal brightness that you're used to. If you install a brand new DMD display, you can actually take this down. It will add some more resistance at saving that will postpone the life of your DMD display. Isn't that just great? But the best part, these games are 30 years old. Their DMDs are dying out on you. They are very dark. So what you can do, you can buy one of these and take this up to boost and give it some more juice and more brightness. This, I can't wait to install this. This is absolutely a masterpiece. From top to bottom, so professionally done. I mean, just look at this beauty. Wow, man. Let's go ahead and install this in my Indiana Jones. Here is the old original DMD Driverboard located. Guys, this is high voltage. So when you do anything in here, take off that plug so you make sure that your game is completely powered off, and then remove the old card. A side-by-side comparison. It's absolutely astonishing. Now guys, make sure to wait 10 minutes before you take this one out, because these old cards, they run very, very hot. Yeah, this one is still hot, so oh, we have got some melted points here. You can see it's all dark down here because they just run so hot. So yeah, make sure to cool it down before, wait for 10 minutes before you take the old card out. This one, I'm just gonna put it on normal. I'm gonna put a link to PinSound.org so you can see all the details. It's just, I just wanna, you know, take in all that beauty. Oh, red wire to the left here. I mean, we also have these indicators here, so nothing can go bad with this card. But yeah, I'm looking forward for the, you know, the LED indicators and stuff like that, man. Wow. I mean, the tech nerd in me loves this. All these old components, they're over here. This is through hold back in the early 90s. This is from 89, and as you can see, these small components are all surface mounted. Looks great, guys. Let's go ahead and install this beauty now. 4 screws. You don't have to take them all the way off. You just slide it in place like this and just tighten all the 4 screws. And again, it has got this notch here that should align with this one over here. So pretty simple stuff, guys. Let me just put on all the cables and let's power it on for the first time. All right, guys, it took 30 seconds to install. Really simple stuff. Few cables and 4 screws. It's all plug and play. I love plug and play. So at the moment of truth, we're gonna turn it on for the first time since the quality check, and let's see how my DMD display looks. So 3, 2, 1, go! We got some green lights in there. Oh man, it's beautiful. It's beautiful. It's simple. Now let me just play for, I don't know, 10 minutes, and I will go in and check out if this board also runs hot. But I mean, the picture is just crystal clear. I love it. I will, just for the fun of it, put up the booster and see if I can see the difference. I don't know if the camera can pick it up, but I'm gonna take that notch a bit up and see the booster. Oh, all these indicators. It's so beautiful. I don't want to take no chance by just switching the brightness. So I'm gonna just turn off the pin and give it some boost. 2 seconds, guys. Just for the fun of it. Now it's on saving. That means it should be a bit dimmer. So let's just go ahead and see. I love all those green indicators. Yeah, it's a bit dim, but it's still super nice. But I can see the difference. So let's just go ahead and give it the max boost. We are on max boost brightness, and I'm gonna give it some power. Oh, yes. Oh, it flickers on the camera. I'm so sorry, guys, but the real deal. Oh, man, it's such. I mean, I should have known this. For years, I have repaired these old cards. Issues with getting too hot, issues with melted PCBs, issues with dying components, and from now on, I mean, go in and check these display boards out at pinside.org. They cost peanuts, plug and play. Just install it 1 minute and you're just ready to go. The whole high voltage section is perfect. Oh, let me just play this game for some. Give me 10 minutes. I'm gonna feel if this one runs hot just like the older cards. Because old chips, the best thing you can do is run them at room temperature. As soon as they get hot, you will shorten their lifespan. All right, I played this game for some minutes, 10 minutes or so. We don't have no components that could get hot. We have got these ICs, but they run cold, and nothing that gets hot, guys. It runs rock solid. It's so nice. I really enjoyed these plug and play, just ready to go, easy to install. Everything is just, oh man, how cool is this? So let's go ahead and install this PinSound card at the apron also. Oh man, I love this game. I love this game. Let's install this one. This is awesome, guys. Oh, I have to cut it out for Stern, Data East, Sega pinball machines, but not for this. Oh man, I mean, look at this. Oh, look at, it's all clean. I love this game also. It's my High Speed 2, the Getaway. Now it's PinSound certified. I want to say big thanks to pinsound.org. I'll put a link down at the description below. If you have DMD issues, go in and check that site out. If you have, when you double click and it resets, I will show it maybe in another video, but if you're having issues where you double flip and the game restarts, they sell these 5-volt restart issue board that you can buy, again, plug and play, and it's out. You can buy, if you have battery damage, you can buy a brand new CPU card from them. I mean, if you look at the build quality of this DMDLux, just imagine that rocket CPU. I would love to review that. The best part, I mean, this game with ZZ Top music. Can you just imagine this pin having a sound card from PinSound with maybe in a future video, I don't know, guys, but thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. One little thing before we quit this video, this little unboxing and review, is you guys want me to make a Facebook page. It's up. It's called Pinball with Retro Django. Come in and join. We can have some fun together. Have a great day out there, guys. Retro Django out.